so I got it together, which was pretty intuitive. Left, right, the clips flip in, which is what I knew would happen. Let's see. Just had to loosen those up. Yeah. Pretty legit. I mean, that's not like going anywhere. Super lame nail gel, but it probably looks lame to like the average person, but like a techie person like myself, it looks pretty cool. Yeah, that puppy's not going anywhere. Yes, yes. And then when I put my hard drive in, be perfect. So they have these guys, and these guys like screw in so it can hold your hard drive down there. So like so, you can see it goes through. Let's see, I don't think it's focused on me. Well, anyway, it goes through the grate like so. Pretty pumped. I don't know what this is for. This like clear rubber thing. Unless it's just to go on so things don't slip. Which could be the case. So mine's not even on here. This was designed for 2012s. But they're all the same. This isn't gonna focus. Focus. Maybe if I tap it. Yeah, so this is pretty much 2012s. And then it shows you all the different things. So, sweet. A lot can go in the trash, which is overflowing right now. Anyone else is super pro at fluffing their dryer? Yeah. And then finally, this stuff is about to go. I have this guy going out. It's pouring, so these may not go out. I think I can get that in there, and I'm gonna have one more bag for up here. So we're down, we're getting there. This used to be like real full. That I just haven't dealt with. That stuff probably needs to go downstairs, and I don't even use this. This has literally stayed here empty for 3 years. I think I used it like twice when I originally got it. And there I am. Okay, so I just got a call from work, so I gotta jump on to work, but I was designing a kit, which you guys, this will already be released when you guys see it. So this is it without the foil, and then the foil will come on. So it's like little pieces like in here, this, the flower, the quote, and then over the crystals on this one, kind of fading in with that one over the crystal here, and then just over the flower. Like I don't like to overwhelm it with foil, but I like to accent with foil. So that should be coming well, today's the 20th, so whatever that Thursday is of this week. So I'm really excited for that new release. I'm so pumped, and I'm really, really liking not using the mainstream clip art. Like it's just, I don't know, it's speaking to me more than this mainstream clip art. So I'm really excited for that. I'm about to jump on for work, which I may have showed the clip art and then say I was gonna do that. I'm not sure, but I'm using my big screen because I hate using my little screen now. Like I have 2 screens at work, and then when I come home, either using my 15-inch Mac or my actual work laptop, it just sucks. So I was like, well, we'll see here. So I just want to get this stuff printed, but that's gonna have to wait while I address some work stuff. So maybe so I'm about to go on a walk with me and one of my girlfriends. I filmed this haul, which it will be up by the time this vlog is up. That's the beauty of these. Like, look how pretty this relay gray is, and then that silver, so pretty. So we're about to go on a walk, and I need it. Sorry, you're out of focus. I've just, hello? There we go. It's just, it's one of those weeks already. It's like, holy crap, I just need a break already. So, that is terrible. So sorry, now you're super yellow. Yeah, so I guess this is what I put my hands in here. I'll show you what I'm wearing for my walk. So just this long kind of, I don't know, how do you describe this? Just like a little jacket. Zips down, zips up. My long pants, because it's cold in Georgia right now. So yeah, it has like, let me see. Let me get you up here. It has like these, like it's super, let's see. There we go. It's like kind of fuzzy inside, not necessarily the outside, but like the inside. So I'm meeting her, I'm probably gonna go down. I'm meeting her at 5:15, 4:15, and it's 4:11. I'm gonna walk to the mailboxes, so I will see you guys later.